Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to clean C drive space Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to clean C drive space Windows 11 deleting temporaries. To start, on the search box enter %temp %, click on File folder. Now select all items, press on Delete to clean. Chapter 2. How to clean C drive space Windows 11 form recycle bin. To begin, open File Explorer. Here on name bar, enter Recycle. Press on Recycle bin. In this window, select the empty recycle bin. Click on Yes and wait to end this process. Chapter 3. How to clean C drive space Windows 11 uninstalling apps. To begin, press Start and select Settings. Now go to Apps section and choose Installed Apps. Here, you can click over 3 dots on App, select Uninstall, and again Uninstall. Some applications will open their wizard from where the uninstall process will be completed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 4. How to clean C drive space Windows 11 optimizing drive. To start, enter defrag on search box. Select defragment and optimize drives. After this, select the C drive. Click on Optimize. After a moment, the window will open, executing the process. Chapter 5. How to clean C drive space Windows 11 from disk cleanup. To start, enter disk on search box, choose disk cleanup. You need to select the C drive, click on OK. When the analysis is done, you can check the boxes that will be deleted. After this, click on OK, press Delete Files to complete this. Chapter 6. How to clean C drive space Windows 11 with Storage Sense. To begin, press Start, select Settings. On the System section, select Storage. First, check that storage sense option it's on. Press here and now you can manage the way the Windows storage sensor will work. Finally, click on Run Storage Sense now. Wait to complete. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.